In this video, I'm going to show you how my clients in their 60s and 70s use the rule of 3 method to reclaim a decade of lost strength in under 12 months. Now, in order to get stronger, and especially if you're over 60, you need to be obeying the principle of progressive overload. What does this mean? It means that you need to do a little more today than you did yesterday. But how much more? Add weight too slowly, and you risk not making progress. Add weight too quickly, and you risk injury or burnout. To solve this, I created the Rule of 3 strength progression plan for people over 60 to help them build strength predictably over the next 12 months. Now, it's no secret, you feel it and the data shows it. Between the ages of 60 and 70, you lose about 4% of strength per year. Over a decade, that's 40% of strength. This is responsible for falls and an overall decrease in energy because every movement you make is more effortful. Now, the literature shows that people over 60, 70, and even 85 plus can reliably build strength and muscle if they follow the principles of progressive overload. The Rule of 3 method is designed to increase your strength 12.5% every 3 months. Over a year, this is about 50% increase in strength, which, if you remember from before, is a little bit more than you're expected to lose between the ages of 60 and 70. And this is the magic of progressive overload. So what is the Rule of 3? The Rule of 3 is simple. It's a strength progression plan. We're going to add 3% of load because remember we need to do more over time. We're going to add 3% every 3 weeks, which means every 3 weeks we're going to take a weight increase for 3 months. That's a duration of gain. At the end of 3 months, we reset with new numbers because we got stronger. Now we can handle different weights. And you can download my free and printable Rule of 3 strength progression plan in the comments or in the description of this video. I lay it all out for you in there. But if you want to stick around for the rest of this video, we're going to get into exactly how to implement the Rule of 3 strength strategy. First, you're going to pick 3 exercises. You're going to perform these 3 exercises for sets of 10, slowly increasing the weight every time, until you find a weight that's challenging for you, but manageable. Next, make sure you write that number down. Because remember, at the end of 3 months, we need to be doing more than that number. Okay, now that you have your 3 exercises and the weight that you can comfortably do for 10 reps with a little bit of effort, but make sure that it's manageable so we have room to build up. After that, you're gonna perform those 3 exercises 3 days a week. Remember, it's the Rule of 3s. At the end of the program, you will have increased your strength 12.5%. Remember, that's just in 3 months. Stretch that out to a year, which would be 4 cycles, and you're gonna be 50% strong, which means statistically, you're gonna be stronger than you were a decade ago. You're gonna be stronger than your friends that are 10 years younger than you. And when my clients in their 60s and 70s get stronger, their life satisfaction increases. They're able to continue to do things they love and do things that they actually never thought possible.